Hi, welcome to EdTech. In today's class, I'll be teaching you about JavaScript string slice. Not slice vegetables, but slice a string in JavaScript. Haha, just kidding. Okay, so let's get started. This is my JavaScript file. Okay, let me consider a variable with a string. Welcome to my class. Let's say it's a string saying welcome to my class. Okay, welcome to my class. A simple example to show you what is slicing. And then followed by an exclamation mark to show you the importance of any kind of punctuation and white space, because white space and punctuation also counts. Okay, and then don't forget the semicolon. So this is a variable string, and the string value is welcome to my class with an exclamation followed by a semicolon as usual. So I want to slice it. Usually when you slice, you have to extract a particular character or a part of the character which has two parameters. One is a start and another one that is a start position from where you start slicing or extracting, and the second argument or the second parameter would be until which position. Now normally when with the second parameter you don't include, you do it until that position but without including that particular index position. So you'll see how. Let's consider another variable. Let's say variable x. Right? And I want to slice this. So I have to append it to the string with a dot slice. So it's string str dot slice. That's the syntax that you have to use, followed by round brackets, right? And the first parameter, let's say 0, and the other one is, let's say 4, right? Let's see. So this means the starting position, the start index position is 0. It starts slicing at 0 index position and until 4, but without including 4, right? So that means 0 and 3. So let's get started. So it should be, when you consider this string, W is 0 index, 1 is E, 2 is L, 3 C, 4 O. So without including the fourth index position, it should be until W, E, L, C. So that should be the result. Let's see the result. Forgot to call the result. So it should be document.write x. Okay, so it's WLC as I mentioned. So I hope you understood this. Now let's just do 0 without the second parameter. So you have to make a case in point. When you're just doing the first parameter, then whatever comes after that index position until the very end of the string will be extracted. Like in this case, slice at 0 position, start position 0, which is the beginning W. So whatever is there, the characters until the very end will be considered. So that is welcome to my class, including the exclamation. Let's say, sorry for my bad throat. Let's say after 0, let's consider 10. So it should be, if you calculate from 0 onwards, including the space, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 will be the space after 2. So until 0, we are not supposed to consider 10. So until 9. So 9th index position is 0. Sorry, not 0, O, which is the O with 2. So it should be welcome to. There you go. Let's consider another situation where it's just -1. Now you should keep this in mind whenever you use the parameter as -1 means it indicates the very last character of the string. So in this case, what is the last character in the string? It's the exclamation marks. There you go. What if you write -2? The one before that, which is S there. So in this order you can continue. So this is how, if you want to extract the complete string, then you just do one parameter, which is the start position, start index position. It need not be 0. In this case, if you want the complete one, of course it's 0. But if you want from the middle position, also you can do. For example, if you just do 2, then it will start from 2 until the very end. 0, 1, 2. 2 is L. So L come to my class. There you go. So you can adjust it accordingly. You can decide. And if you want the whole string without leaving out anything, it's preferable to write 0 as the first parameter, that is the start position, leaving out the second parameter, that is the ending position. And if you write -1, as we've noticed, you will only get the last character. And if you can, so in this way you can extract from the beginning, from the end, and from in between. Like you can say 2, 7. So starting from 2, which is 0, 1, 2, starting from L until 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the space after that. So until 6, which is welcome. Document.write 1 second 2, sorry. So starting from 2, I counted it wrong. The position should be starting from 2, which is 0, 1, 2, which is L. So starting from L, the start position is index 2, which is L, until 7, but without including 7. So 2 to 6. So from L to 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is E. Because 7 you're not supposed to include, and in any case here the 7 is white space. So what should it be? 0. So welcome. So 0, 1, 2, starting from L until COME, L-come. Yeah, that's the way. So this way you can extract from anywhere, middle, end, beginning, with the different rules. Whether you want to do the second parameter or not depends on the rule, depends on the outcome that you wish for. So this is how slicing is done in a string. Hope you understood. If you have any more doubts or queries regarding this, you are more than welcome to point it out in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure that you subscribe so that you are entitled to get notification on a regular basis. And of course, don't forget to smash the bell button so that you will get notification immediately whenever I publish these tutorials. So stay safe and stay subscribed. See you in my next tutorial for JavaScript string.